This is for all the students containing the informations about how to do your homework in Google Classroom. And of course, here I'm a class student of English class 10th. And of course, when a teacher gives you the homework, or when she or he gives you the assignment, you would always find them here, just on the front page. So this is a classroom. This is a class. So I'm just clicking on it. So you will get the homework notification or classwork notifications to your Gmail, or even as you open the Google Classroom, you will find everything there. As I told you, classes. As you open the Google Classroom, you will find everything there right in front of you, just on the particular class. I'm going into the class. Now I see the assignments. Okay, now I'm going to the classwork. I'm just clicking here, classwork, and I see all these homeworks. Now here you need to understand the signs, the symbols. The first one, the sign that you find here, like a tab, this sign is about an assignment. So an assignment cannot be typed here, but rather it has to be attached, either as a JPG picture format file or as a PDF file. And here you have got these many questions. Question number 1, your favorite color, favorite food. Look at the questions in the attachment file. What are you doing? Okay, all these are all simple questions which you need to answer directly here in the classroom itself. And here you cannot attach any file. You can't attach any file, and these are all questions that you have to answer then and there. And now I'm going to answer this question, the first question. So this is the here I have to send the attachment. I won't have any option to type. Okay, now I'm clicking on the assignment. Write an essay on COVID-19. So here I see the instruction given by the teacher. It is that you need to do it in 2 pages and send it in PDF file format, which means you have to send the assignment only in the PDF file format. Okay, so here I see add class comment. If you have got any doubt, you can either contact the teacher privately, or you can just give a comment. Your comment will be seen by all the students and teacher also. So if you got any doubt, you can just give your comment here, ask your questions here. Fine. And if you feel uneasy and you want to add a private comment, here you have it here. Okay, only teacher can see this one. Okay, right. Now how to do the assignment here. Now you see here your work. Just click it and you see first one, attachment. So already you should have prepared the assignment and then make it as a PDF file format. And after making everything, just you should know where your file could be found, your PDF file, your assignment. Okay, now here just add attachment. You have this option, and you have got these many options. Google Drive. Okay, right now it is too advanced for you. You don't have to be worried about it. Link, no need. So we will be mainly using only this option, file, or take photos, record videos. So take photos, you are already doing it in the school website, and therefore I don't have to explain this one. Record video, you don't need it. Okay, so let us use only this option, file. Now I have to go to search for my file. Now I have got two. One is phone memory, and another one is a memory card. Okay, so I'm going to the phone memory and find out any file. Any file means my assignment file. Okay, better I'll go to scan disk memory. And better, after you make your file into a PDF format, always copy and paste them in the documents, either in the phone or in the memory card if you have. Okay, now I have got all these files are there. Now let us say so this is the file I have chosen, Antony PDF. Here I have got my assignment. I have done my assignment here. I am attaching the file. Very simple. Now it's getting attached, loading. Now the file is attached here. Okay, now if you have got too many files, there's another option. So you can go on attaching as many number of files as possible. Okay, either PDF file or even uh, mm, a picture format, but in PDF you can put everything and then make it as one file. Okay, now what to do? Turn in means you are submitting the assignment. Okay, just click turn in. Now it's asking one attachment will be submitted for write an essay. It is a topic of the assignment, write an essay on COVID-19. So turn in. I'm turning in. Okay, now submitted. Now in case if you have got any if you find any difficulties in your attachment file, you can simply unsubmit. So unsubmit is again you are getting the work back and you are making a kind of correction. So unsubmit if there is any corrections, and then okay. Right now it is here, and you can also delete this one if you want. Okay, and after making any corrections, once again you attach the file using attachment option and then turn in, resubmit. Okay, it is submitting now. Okay, right. Now here add private comment. So here you can if you want to address the teacher saying about your work, you can do it. Otherwise you don't have to worry about it. So I'm just typing teacher here is my assignment, thanks okay. Now it goes to the teacher. Only teacher can see this one. Okay, right. Now it is about submitting the assignment. Now we will move on to, now see, once you submit the assignment, now this work is done. Okay, over. Now we will answer to these questions. So these questions need to be answered only in the phone itself or in the computer if you are using it. First question I'm answering it. So by the look of it, it is a multiple choice question. Okay, once again if you got any doubt you can keep here and then you can ask. So all the class will see your comment. Okay, better you don't have to use it. Okay, right. Now the question is your favorite color. What's your favorite color? You can choose any one of these options. So I am choosing blue and turning, submit, over. So first question is answered, answer submitted. Okay, if you want, once again if you want to add any private comment to the teacher, you can add, otherwise no need. Okay, then go back. So for the first question is answered, and second question, once again I'm clicking. Second question is also multiple choice question. Okay, now your favorite food. Okay, pongal, idli, buri. Okay, now I am clicking on buri and turn in, submit, over. Answer submitted. You get the message and you go back, and then again fourth question. Look at the question says look at the questions in the attachment file and answer in short. Now the question is here in the attachment file. So what you have to do is you are supposed to click on the attachment file, and the file is getting downloaded and you look into the file. Okay, now I am seeing the questions here. Okay, now after seeing the question I write it somewhere and then I go back to the question and I type the answer. So the answer I'm going to type is that this is a form about TDS payment. So this is a short answer. Okay, once I do everything. Once again, turn in. So turn in means you're submitting the assignment. So turn in. I'm turning in, submit. Okay, so answer submitted, done. If you want to add a private comment to teacher, say thanks teacher. Okay, fine. So if you want, otherwise you can just leave it out. Okay, go back. Then again, the last question. So what are you doing at home? Okay, now here you cannot attach any file. You have to only type here your answer. Okay, now morning I get up at 7 a.m. Then I have my breakfast at 8 a.m. Then I log in to the school website to follow the online classes. Okay, right. Now what you have to do is turn in, submit. Very simple. You have answered this question. Okay, right. Now here there are some questions which will allow you to see the answers of other students. Now this question has allowed you to see the answers of other students. Okay, now here, since no students are here, I am the only student, and therefore it's blank. Okay, right, very good. Now with that we submit all the, once you finish all your homework, you will find that these many things are done. Okay, right. Now all work done. Okay, now everything is fine.